On a 5-acre farm in NYS Kirimun, Samburu County, Grekkon installed a drip irrigation system with a 1-inch venturi fertigation unit to grow butternut, watermelon and onions. The system is designed with a 63mm main line connected to 50mm submains, from which drip lines with 15cm emitter spacing are laid out for uniform water distribution. The water source for the system is 3 storage tanks that are connected to the main pipeline, ensuring a reliable and steady water supply to the crops. The venturi fertigation system allows fertilizers and pesticides to be mixed with water in a tank, then delivered directly to the crops through the drip lines. This provides efficient fertilization, pest and disease control while saving on labor. The system also includes hydrants, which act as control points, where the 63mm main line interacts with the 50m submains, making it easy to manage irrigation across different crop blocks. In addition, air release valves are installed to prevent airlocks and ensure smooth water flow during irrigation. This installation ensures efficient water use, uniform crop growth and reduced production costs, highlighting Grekkon's commitment to modern irrigation solutions.